How to check Agoda refund status? First of all, open the app on your device. At the bottom section of the app, tap on My Trips. Here you will see a list of all your current and past bookings. Find the booking for which you requested a refund and tap on it to view the booking details. In the booking details, you will see the refund status including whether it is pending, approved or processed. The app may also display the estimated timeline for when the refund will be credited back to your account. Once your cancellation is confirmed, Agoda will immediately begin processing your refund, typically within 24 to 48 hours. However, the exact timing for the refund to appear in your account depends on the payment method you used. For credit or debit cards, refund can take up to 30 business days depending on your card issuer's policies. Refunds processed through bank transfers or online payments usually take 7 to 10 business days, while PayPal refunds are often completed within 3 to 5 business days. Over-the-counter payments may take up to 15 business days, and refunds to Agoda Cash are immediate if the Agoda Cash has not expired. You will receive a confirmation email once the refund is processed on Agoda's site, and your bank, card issuer, or payment provider may also send a notification once the funds are credited, so make sure to check your inbox and spam folders. Checking your refund status through the app ensures that you stay updated on your cancellations and receive your money securely and on time. You can also review your booking conditions in the app to verify if your booking is eligible for a refund based on the hotel's cancellation policy. Now you know how to check Agoda refund status. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more booking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.